The second aspect of music is the melody. Melody is a sequence of notes that can be sung together, which gives the song its unique identity. For example, try to sing Happy Birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Right? You remember this melody, right? Another one is just pick a random nursery rhyme, such as Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. You can either sing it, you can hum it, however you want, but that melody, it sort of gives you sort of a feeling. I don't always have to sing the words also. I can simply hum it. And you'll still get an idea what the original song is or what that poem is. Now let's look at an example where I'll play the same melody on a piano. This unique series of notes is perceived as a melody by the listener. This melody is a unique identity of the song. If I ask you to recall a famous song, chances are that you would either recollect the lyrics of the song or the melody, or sometimes even both. Let's try this. Have you heard of this song? La 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 la. Now, pardon my singing isn't that great, but I'm sure you must have at least understood what nursery rhyme I was actually singing, right? I hope you get the point.